This is the SANDMARC Messenger Pro. It's very similar aesthetically to the SANDMARC backpack, as it is in the same bag lineup. On top of that, this bag is made more for the day-to-day commuter to and from work or other daily activities. And it has a couple different styles of carry. So you can carry it over your shoulder using this nice cushioned strap, or if you detach the strap, which comes off easily with these nice metal hooks. It makes for an easy duffel style carry if you use the handle on the top of the bag. So let's dive into the other features of the Messenger Pro, starting with the exterior of the bag. So the exterior, you'll notice, is the same material that is used in the SANDMARC travel backpack. So it's the durable 840D ballistic nylon. On the back of the Messenger Pro is a luggage pass-through strap. So you can use this to put on your carry-on suitcase when you're at the airport, and it makes carrying this bag a lot easier. On the bottom of the Messenger Pro, just like the backpack, there is the waterproof lining material. So no matter what you set it on, you're not going to get moisture leaking into your bag and damaging any electronics. Speaking of which, all of the zippers are lined with waterproof material as well. This keeps moisture out of the bag and keeps your valuables inside safe. So now let's take a look at the front compartment of the Messenger Pro. Opening it up, you can see that there are this time 5 lens compartments in the Messenger Pro, whereas the SANDMARC backpack had 4. They're all fastened with Velcro, which makes for easy storage and access of the lenses. Underneath the lens compartments, there are 4 mesh containers, which are great for any items like filters or cables or anything else you need to organize. Facing these mesh pouches on the other side, there are non-mesh pouches. So these are great for putting items like SSDs along with the SSD cables. And there's also a small pocket here for an AirTag. And then on top of the non-mesh pouches, there are a couple larger mesh pouches. These 2 large mesh pouches on the top are large enough to fit, for example, an iPhone, AirPods, or wallet. But that's not all. On the other side of these 2 mesh pouches, there's another compartment. It's one long zipper, and it opens up to a whole space right behind it. This place is great for flatter objects or cables such as laptop chargers or USBs. This front compartment of the Messenger Pro is also large enough to carry objects like the SANDMARC tripod. On the very front of the Messenger Pro, there's another zippered storage space. And this goes deep all the way down to the bottom of the bag. And this is great for things like laptop chargers or additional power banks. So now let's look at the very back compartment of the Messenger Pro. Whereas the front compartment was a bunch of smaller organizational pockets, this back compartment has just a few, but they're much larger and made for larger, flatter items, such as a perfect storage space for up to a 16-inch MacBook. So that fits perfectly right in there. There's a smaller storage space for an iPad or a tablet. And then right next to the iPad storage space, there is another space for an iPhone. There's another deeper pocket in front of these 2 that you can put anything in, such as papers, larger, flatter books. It's very much contained in a smaller Messenger style bag. It is called the Messenger Pro, but it does have a lot of storage space packed into here along with a ton of organizational options. So it allows you the flexibility to use it however you choose. So this is the SANDMARC Messenger Pro. Subscribe to stay updated on future videos, and thanks for watching.